One of the biggest complaints that I get from customers is ride quality, and of course from there it always goes back to the tires. I don't sell tires, I don't balance tires, I don't install tires, I have no vested interest in tires whatsoever. At one time I had three stores. Two of my managers came from the tire industry and they taught me a lot. One of the most important things I think is that customers do not walk into a tire store and say, "What do you recommend?" Main reason is there are tires in the industry that are just not selling. The reality of it is those professionals in the industry are generally getting a bonus, a commission, some type of sale bump for pushing these tires that are getting older. And of course, as they get older, they have less value and they know that. Tires have a sell-by date. It's stamped in the side of every sidewall of every tire sold. And what the average consumer needs to know is that the stamp on the side of the tire, and well, the first two numbers are the weeks of the year that they were made, and of course the last two numbers are the year that they were made. And I personally don't buy tires that are more than, say, 6 months old. If a tire professional is pushing a tire that's approaching a year old, then I expect to get a discount on that tire, just like I would if I was buying a loaf of stale bread. The reality of it is if a tire is approaching a year to a year and a half old, I'm gonna refuse to install it on my car. Every tire is like paint. Once it's applied, it's drying, and the VOCs, the volatile organic compounds, are cooking out of that tire every day. And a lot of people think that a tire's traction is relative to how deep the tread is, but a tire's traction is relative to how supple the rubber is and how well it'll conform and grab the road and produce traction. The tread is just there to shed water on rainy days. So when a tire gets to the 5 to the 6 year mark, it's getting to where it's losing that traction, and of course it makes it unsafe. Before they mount your tires, before I buy tires, I ask to see the tire date before they're installed. Most consumers don't know this, and I hope that this video will help a lot of people get a better, safer tire.